make sure to like the video, tap the bell, and subscribe so you'll never miss a video. So today we're going to be opening something from Ryan World. He has some toys, as you might know. They're at Walmart and
Target,
and somewhere else. Here it is.
which one is it? Let me zoom in.
This one is blue tie-in, and then this one is a mystery.
Ooh, mystery.
So here's blue tie-in, and then his cape fell off. And this is a new figure I got. I got some more. Yes. Here's Ryan. He's strong, fast. Blue tie-in Ryan comes with the
Barbell.
that make him strong. But he was strong when he first got superpowers still. Next, let's open the mystery. The mystery is one bag. You might see open this. That's my mommy's gonna open it. So we open the mystery bag. So in 3, 2, 1, we're gonna get it. Woo! Let me box. So, almost a rare. Almost a rare.
Which figure is that?
Red Ryan. Only says Red Ryan. He's a skydiver Ryan. Actually.
Cool. Okay.
Okay. His binoculars.
Nope. Binoculars.
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 To help him see out of his plane.
Yeah. No, he's gonna crash into the camera. Now let's play with the toys.
Yeah.
So we got the other. We got the others.
Those are some old ones that he had.
I got these like March.
Which ones are those? Let's see.
This is no. I can tell them I know.
Okay.
This is Karate Ryan. Yeah. He's Robot Ryan. I'm a robot. I'm gonna kick you in the face. I'm gonna go to the gym and work out. Yeah. Hi. Hey, robot, why did you just get evil? You used to be good. Hey, Wait, not me, Karate Ryan. Stop. Punch him. I want to punch you. No, not me. I'm not the robot. You're supposed to attack him. Backflip for the win. Backflip for the win. I'll play with the other figure. Hey, I see something over there. It's probably Combo Panda. Hey, Combo Panda, what are you doing?
I'm just gonna set my kid up and play some Roblox.
Why? When it's snowing.
And I brought some Cheetos. Cheetos. You want some Cheetos?
For the win, skydive. Here's this glider. Not fun. I'll see ya in a little bit. I'm gonna make another video.